Sabi niya, alam naman na walang miracles na nabe-verify na totoo nowadays. Of course noon, delusional ang mga tao kasi wala silang mga scientific methods para patunayang totoo o maihimala nga. Assuming na ba yan eh? Assuming without good reasons for it. Nag-assume na, ang mga tao kasi noon ay delusional kasi ganito, kasi ganyan. You know what? Ang daming bagay sa mundo, ang daming bagay sa universe na hindi talaga pirming maipapaliwanag ng scientific methods whether we like it or not. Kasi tingnan nyo, if I will use this kind of argument, here it goes like this. Mahawakan ba natin yung justice? Makikita ba natin yung love? Literally? O kaya naman, how about some of the anomalies that happened na hindi talaga kayang maipaliwanag ng mga scientists? At saka dito lalabas kasi yung preconceived notion na there's no God, there's no miracle. That's it. However, even skeptic scientists showed to us that the universe had a beginning. So if the universe had a beginning, then may nagpasimula, may lumikha. Siyempre, gagawa ng kung ano ng mga explanation para sabihin there's no God or whatever. And yet, they know for sure that the universe had a beginning. You know what is the rational, kung mas rational doon? Isipin mo. The universe had a beginning with the one who created it, or there's a beginning in the universe without it. Kung sasabihin mong may simulang universe pero walang creator o walang nagpasimula, ang nonsense, di ba? Parang sinasabi na meron tayong nakikitang motorsiklo pero walang nag-imbento nun. O kaya meron tayong librong tulad nito pero walang nagsulat. You see? Kaya concerning to the miracles, how did you know that there's no miracle? If you're talking about natural, na yung lahat yung nakikita natin, physical, ganyan, then how about other things like, yun lang nabanggit ko na, love, justice, mercy, grace, laws of logic, laws of mathematics. How about yung mga yun, di ba? Kasi, kung totoo yung naturalism, I don't know kung yung kaibigan natin ay naturalistic yung kanyang approach. Pero sige, sabihin natin na there are some who are claiming themselves to be naturalists. Then, ibig mo lang sabihin, if someone loves you, for example, parang sinasabi, mahal ko siya kasi umaandar yung chemicals ko. Yun ba yun? Diba? Kasi tingnan nyo, yung sinabi niya na sabi na, alam naman na walang miracles, how did he know that? At saka sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo, there are events na nangyayari na hindi talaga maipapaliwanag ng agham, whether we like it or not. Isa pa, aminin man natin o hindi, masasabi natin na may limitasyon ang science. Let me quote this way. Scientific method is limited to a process defined by that which is measurable and repeatable. Measurable, repeatable. But here's the problem. Kung yan ang maging basehan, then how about what happened in the past? Like, simula ng universe. Ano pa? Yung tungkol sa paggawa ng, yung time na ikaw ay sinilang, maulit pa ba yan? Diba? Isa pa, ang mangyayari nga dyan, science does not say everything scientists do. Kasi science itself has, kumbaga, parang masasabi na, walang masasabing mindset dyan. Kasi kapag ka may evidence sa ganyan, dito na papasok yung interpretation. Diba? Also, science cannot really speak to issues of ultimate origin, meaning, or morality. So ngayon, kung sasabihin ng ating kaibigan na wala naman talagang himala, dapat itong ma-test yan. If he was talking about scientific method being measured and dapat repeatable, edi dapat pala yung mga events like yun na nga, creation of the universe, dapat maulit na naman para lamang makita. Is that it? You know what, my friend? If you are watching right now, instead na mag-ano ng preconceived notion na there's no miracle because of this, because of that, itry po kayang magkaroon ng open-mindedness. Magkaroon tayo ng open-mindedness na i-examine natin yung mga evidence. Hindi lang, I don't believe in God because of this, because of that. Diba? Well, if you're talking about the resurrection, well, we have good evidence on that. Unless you will go on to open your mind once again and re-examine it.